Hey, do you want to learn how to download and install Norton Neo AI browser on your PC or laptop? So in this video, I'll show you how to do it. You need to first go over to neobrowser.ai. In the URL bar over here, you need to type in this, and then it's going to take you over to this page. Then on the top right corner, you're going to find download Norton Neo. Press on that, and then it's going to automatically download it for you right over here. You can also scroll down and check out all the operating systems it's on. So Windows x64, macOS. It's also available for iOS, Android, and Linux. Once it's done, you can press on this .exe, and it's going to start the download and install process. Once it has done the installation process, it's going to show you this pop-up. Here it says, welcome to Neo. Let's press on the get started. Security and privacy. Let's press on continue. You can import from Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Let's say import from Chrome here. And these are the things that will get imported. You can also do it later if you want. You can press on this on the left. History, extensions, autofill, passwords, cookies, and such will be imported. Let's press on the import and continue. Actually, let's go with I will do it later. Almost there. Okay. You can check on all of these if you want. I personally do not like apps to launch on startup. So I can click on this check mark, open Neo on startup. It's already checked. So just click on it again to uncheck it. Now it's not going to launch Neo when your computer starts. I will also uncheck this make Neo your default browser. But if you check it, it says here, it will give you some extra VPN quota. So you can just select it if you want to do it. Let's press on this launch browser. And this is how the Norton Neo browser looks like. I think this is the widget. We can edit it. We can customize the widgets here, clock, weather, news feed. There's a VPN that you can connect. If you go over here on the top right, you can connect the VPN. It's a free private encrypted VPN. Press on tell me more, next, skip it. And right next to it, you'll see the Neo chat. You can press on it and then you can talk with Neo, their inbuilt AI. There's chat history, new chat, and such. There's also the snippet that you can use. You can ask it to get news, find discount code, and a lot more, which you can do with ChatGPT as well. But yeah, this is like inbuilt. There's this add files. You can add photos and files, do a universal search and such. Over to the left hand side, you got the settings. You can click on that. You can check out all of these things. There's AI mode. You can change the Neo chat avatar from here. Suggested questions, change that. Magic box, manage the snippets, the ones that we were talking about, snippets, app integrations, and such. There are these shortcuts here. You can open the magic box with Ctrl+L. So when we go over to any website, like for example, I go over to this youtube.com, I can press on Ctrl+L on my keyboard, and it's going to show you this on the top. This, I think, is what the magic box is. You can search, type a URL, reference a tab using @ or just ask Neo. You have tabs on top. You can create a new tab from here. These are your reminders. You can enable the reminders and log in and such. It's a Chromium-based browser, so you can manage extensions, visit Chrome Web Store, and install the Chrome extensions on your Neo browser. If you want to check your history and such, you can go over here on the left-hand side, and then you'll find your history, downloads, bookmark, and a lot more. And yeah, that's it. That's how to install Norton Neo on your PC or laptop. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right-hand side, you can find more Norton Neo related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.